What are some of like the worst horror stories you've heard from drivers?
Oh my gosh, we've heard it all. And sadly, some of it is really horrific and violent. We have worked with many drivers who have been assaulted. We've had clients who have been shot. We've had clients who have been sexually assaulted. And in each one of these events, we're reminded at really how dangerous this job is. These safety reports are published, where Uber and Lyft break down crimes that are committed on the app. And a lot of the focus is placed on passenger safety, and certainly it should be. But oftentimes we forget that drivers are victimized just as often as passengers. So when we get these cases, when we hear these stories, we always want to remind the driver community to protect themselves. And again, that goes to dash cameras, that goes to listening to your instincts and taking measures to protect yourself. You don't want to ignore those thoughts and find yourself, on the wrong side of a crime.
Yeah, no, definitely. And so you guys only work with drivers, right? Like not passengers?
The vast majority of our clients are drivers. We certainly have passenger clients as well, but I would say that 70% of our clients are drivers, and that's the community that we support. So when you look us up and you see us in the media, we're talking about driver safety because it is such an underpublished, unrepresented group of people that we want to ensure that there's a voice, and we try to be that voice anytime that we can.